Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This one I'm gonna mostly do some of the old schools. They had a lot of beautiful old schools at this event, and also this was Jeremy's last event at Pep Boys because he is going to a different location, so congratulations to him. So let's check out some of these beautiful builds. I know, I said it's gonna be mostly old schools, but I couldn't help myself. This lifted truck was so beautiful. I love how they did the suspension, and they even put the mirrors down so you can see everything. So I just had to record this for somebody who may like these lifted trucks like I do. Enjoy. This vehicle here is also female owned. I met her at the Modified Chicks car show that we hosted a few months ago, and I just love this car. I mean, is this old school? I mean, not really. I don't know. But who doesn't like an MR2? Let me know in the comments if you consider this vehicle an old school. Who can name this car? Put it in the comments.
Have a good time, and he's part of that same crew, that internal, you know, with the we travel together, we go together, we go everywhere else. So we have a lot of running jokes and a lot of funny shit that we've done over the years. Trey wins a lot of awards with everything. He's a trophy hunter. He's got them everywhere. They got him in the truck, and you know, everywhere we go. I mean, Christ, every time we go somewhere, he's getting a trophy. He doesn't have one like this. Took a lot of time on this to make sure this was right, okay? This is a trophy that you'll never get anywhere else. For one. Hold on, we don't do it. It's kind of large. So it's a Golden Dick Award.
I knew
it! And there's an import card on there, so he'll never win for that either. He'll never have one of those. So with this little guy right here, this is a story that lasted a year between Ocean City as a running joke of us putting them on people's cars and filming it.
We got a cop car last year.
We got a cop car last year. This was for all your help and everything that you've always done for me. We got Kenny's trucks out here, but there's one that I know is very special that I saw last weekend and I fell in love with, and the second time anybody's ever seen it actually. And hey, come on. It's the black one down there that's 20 years in the making actually, and this is the second time it's been out, and I'm honored to have it here. I'm honored that he actually brought it up here.
Yeah.
So hot rod is tough for me because I like anything and everything. I like them rods and everything else. This made this real hard, but there's one that I have watched being built over the past 10 years, and that means more to me than anything. That they've come and got parts and stopped in on Sundays and Saturdays, and hey, I need this, hey, I need that, and I've watched this car, and him and his son have built this car and gone over everything on this car. I might know his daughter from a long time ago. Long other story. I was hoping you were going to be here, not disappointed. I was hoping you were going to be here. So, but this past year, I don't know if you guys saw the Motorama story about Ty and Ty's parents. That a lot of people were there for that. Me and Trey went out to. We lost Ty this year after meeting this kid one day. So he changed my life in a matter of a couple hours. So they drove down today 4.5 hours at least just to come down. To come down. So I wanted them to pick what they thought Ty would like the best out here, and what Ty's favorite car would have been out here. He could be with us today to see that. So I'll give it to you guys, and you guys can call that. But this is 80s and above. It's tough, but 80s to modern.
All right, so I love Foxball.
Again, I want to thank everybody. Like I said, nothing changes. I will leave all the info. How to get a hold of me if you already don't know how to see. Everything is still the same. At Bruno's Muscle Power Speed Shop. It's not going to say Pepperwoods anymore. Still all the same stuff, all the same events. We have a lot going on. We talked to Ryan and Shuddy and them up there about using their lot up there for some Friday night events. We have a lot of stuff going on.